Alright, we got this old Craftsman lathe, and we've got some upgrades that we're going to be doing. We added the tool post, and we're just going to redo this whole little area. I'm going to redo my bit area and put it over here, kind of out of the way. I'm going to add a light where we got some down lighting on it where we can see. I'm getting old and can't see, and just going to try to make some simple upgrades, but try to make this thing a whole lot easier to use. And we printed some, gonna be printing them off of Thingiverse. They are some OXA tool holders that we can mount and get all these guys up out of the way. So that's pretty much it. I guess let's get started. All right, and I'm back, and this is a piece of Kydex you can make a holster out of, and I basically just glued it on top of the other one, and that's pretty much it. So that's what we're looking like so far. Boring bars, I'll make them, give them a little bit more room, but basically everything's just going to slide on like that, and then the boring bars will go here. I'll have 3 set up for the boring bars right here, and then I'll make these go on out. Then I'll make a holder here for my lathe chuck, and I'll get all that done. And next thing we're going to do will be mount some of the chucks over here, and some of our live centers. We'll get some of these guys mounted over here on this one. That's what we're looking for right there. Yep, that'll work just fine.